Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV.
Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anona, Sinusilio, Bordaneta in Pangasinan here inside the PATS Laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly brings to you, even if he has a heavy heart right now, emotional race day number 4 of the 8th race schedule this June 2023 as we approach Father's Day on this weekend here on Lipat's Tamiya League Season 4 Live. Nitong nakaraang June 12, 2023. So, previously, on Lipat's Tamiya League Season 4, as we dictate yung mga naglaban sa ating nung June 12, 2023. So, sina Borag, McLaurin, Cosmo Atomica, Venom, Dark Sun, Setsuna at MA ang mga naglaban po sa ating Independence Day run nitong nakaraang Lunes at sa 21 karerang yun sa ranking base involved sila. Ang naging final rankings nila ay si Corag ang nanguna na may 10 puntos na kabuuan with 4 wins and 2 draws. Then finished second, going to the KO stage of that day. Independence Day was MB with 3 wins, 2 losses, and 1 draw. And then Cosmo Atomica finished third with 7.5 points total with 2 wins, 3 draws, and 1 loss. And then number 4 and number 5 tied where it was a tie between Setsuna and McLaurin with identical 6.5 points total, and as well as 1 win 2 wins, 3 losses, and 1 draw for McLaurin, while Setsuna has 4 draws, 1 win, and 1 loss. But in the pag may mga tie in case of a tie kasi mga kadipat, pag mayroong dalawang nagtapla na may parehong total points, ang titingnan muna doon is win over the other. Winner over the other rule in effect. Kung dalawa lang silang tapla na may parehong total points. Kung sa case of that tie, it will be winner over the other rule in effect first. Doon pala sa scenario number 1, nung naglaban si McLaurin at Setsuna, nanalo ron si Setsuna laban kay McLaurin. Kaya Setsuna is one of the 3 losses that McLaurin incurred on that Independence Day recruitment sa duel nila. So therefore, ang nakakuha ng tiebreaker nun was Setsuna. Therefore, Setsuna ranked number 4 and McLaurin relegated to number 5. And Venom relegated to number 6 after putting up 5.5 points total with 1 win, 3 losses, and 2 draws. And yung nangulilan naman ay si Dark Sun na may 4.5 puntos, 4.5 points total with a trio of draws and losses, that making it the dead last doon sa pagtatapos ng ranking phase. And unfortunately for Dark Sun, maaga po siyang nasipak doon sa na yun. And then in the knockout stage naman, ang mga naging match-up, quarterfinals number 1 was Cosmo Atomica versus Venom. And then Cosmo Atomica versus Venom pala una. Then quarterfinals number 2 was Setsuna versus McLaurin as well. Yun din yung mga nagtabla pala sa 6.5 total. Nag-rematch sila. But in that rematch, nanalo naman si McLaurin at nasipak niya sa quarterfinals si Setsuna. Samantala si Cosmo Atomica ay tinalo si Venom, making its return to the semifinals round. At yun ang nangyari doon. So sina Venom at Venom, Dark Sun at Setsuna ay napalitan po ngayon ng 3 pang papasok ngayong gabi. So yun na nga po, nakapost po yun sa ating Lipat's Tamiya League Facebook page, namely Magmar, Neon Sara, and Mirik. So sila po yung mga kasama ngayon ni na Corag, Cosmo Atomica, McLaurin, at ni Envy. So, ayun yung mga lineup natin ngayong gabi. Yun na nga po, naka-post na po yun sa aking Facebook page, DPAT's Tamiya League. And in our semi-finals match-up where Cosmo Atomica versus MP in semis 1. Semis 2 was Corag versus McLaurin. And on that note, ang mga nanalo sa mga semi-final duels na yon ay sina Corag at Cosmo Atomica. So 1 versus 3 ang naging match-up sa championship race. At sa race for third naman, McLaurin versus MP2 versus 5 na nangyari. So, on that race for third naman, ang nangyari si McLaurin naman ang nagwagi laban kay MP, making it third place, adding 1 point on its aggregate score itong si McLaurin after finishing third, and MP with 0.5 o kalahating puntos, 0.5 points for its score on aggregate para naman kay MP. And in the championship race, Corag versus Cosmo Atomica was rematch from our season 4 opener in the championship race. And this time naman pumawi si Corag, at si Corag ang nagwagi sa kanilang duelo ni Cosmo Atomica, sa kanilang rematch ni Cosmo Atomica, making it a back-to-back championship for Corag. And yun nga po yung magtatanggal sa corona ngayong gabing ito. So, mga naging podium finishers are as follows, dictated right in front of your screen. Sa naman yun sa YouTube. So, sa YouTube po, yun yung natin, no? So, on yung mga podium finishers ng Independence Day race natin, where Corag being champion, Cosmo Atomica being second placer, third placer McLaurin, and MP as fourth placer. Yun po yung mga podium finishers nitong race day number 3 of 8 na siya ring Independence Day ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Okay, so ranking base na po tayo right away. When our first race is going to be MP versus Magma in our first race of our ranking base tonight. MP versus Magma is our race number 1. So Wednesday po ngayong gabi ang starting lane ng team labas o yung mga pang-karera pa sa mga outside league, outside DPAT's Tamiya League, meaning sina MP, Sensona, Neon Sara, Mirik, at saka si Corag, at saka si Venom. Yun ang team labas po. Yung team bahay, pambahay na lang talaga. Dito na sa talaga. So in this case, ang team bahay po ngayon ang nasa lane 1, at ang team labas po ngayon ang magsisimula sa lane 2. So in this race number 1, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2 and Magma starting at lane 1. Alright mga kalipat, let's get this race day started. Advance to others day race day here on DPAT's Tamiya League Season 4 with our ranking race tonight, beginning with our race number 1. Switch on. Ay, pipihit pa lang. Sorry. Wala nang ilalagay. Switch on. Ready, set, fire. Login po. Tanda po yung laban natin sa race number 1. Race number 2 will feature McLaurin taking on Neon Sara in our race number 2. And in this matchup, McLaurin starts at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. Alright, race number 2, switch on. Race number 3 will feature once again Cosmo Atomica taking on Mirik. So ito rin yung mga naglaban nitong race number 3 ng ranking phase nung season 4 opener po natin. And again, they will rekindle their rivalry in race number 3, anak of the same matchup. When at this time, it's going to be Mirik starting at lane 2 and Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 3, switch on. Ready, set. Draw game again. Number 4 will feature MA taking on Korak. Alright, so first battle ni Korak laban kay MA. So sinig po yung masusunod po rito sa ating race number 4. Dahil pare silang team labas. So in this case, it's going to be Korak starting at lane 2 and MA's. Is it right? No. No, pagkano pala, kapag lane 1 pala dapat, yung una, season opener lane 2 yung starting lane ng higher seed pala. So, dahil Wednesday ngayon, lane 1 ang starting ng higher seed. Dahil parehong team labas ito. So, in this case, lane 2 for MA, lane 1 for Korak at the start of our race number 4. Switch on. Takot na. Ready, set, start. Sayang, ang ganda na sana. Ganda na sana ang bawi ni MP ron. Korak, winner. Nung naglaban sila dun sa tune-up talagang sabayan yung nangyari. Lamang na lamang 7 and suddenly of the final lap, biglang boing. Embang, torog. French Army reunion between McLaren and Magmar in our race number 5. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren will start at lane 1 and Magmar will start at lane 2. Yung higher seed, kapag pareho ng pupunta, the same team of the same team kasi, kung sino yung higher seed, siyang lane 1. Kasi all Wednesdays, lane 1, all Mondays, lane 2. Alright, race number 5, switch on. Ready, set, run. McLaren winner will feature the Battle of Lingayen Survivors in Lingayen, Pangasinan. Yung mga dadala ko sa 30 nitong December 17 sa Lingayen, Pangasinan. Mirik taking on Nian Sara in our race number 6. And parehong team labas ang dalawa, so higher seeded will follow. So therefore, in this matchup, it's going to be Nian Sara starting at lane 1 and Mirik starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 6, switch on. Ready, set, run. number 7. Race number 7 will now feature the finals rematch from the previous race day nitong June 12, 2023 between Korag and Cosmos Atomica. Maglaban na sa ating race number 7, finals rematch po ito. So, dahil Team Labas versus Team Bahay ang naging ang setup nitong race number 7, so yung seeding baliwala po. Baliwala po yung seeding nila. So, in this case, it's going to be Korag starting at lane 2 and then Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1. Okay? Race number 7, switch on. Ready, set, ako balance pa sa dulo, drawing tuloy. So water break po muna tayo before going to race number 9. In the meantime, it's race number 8 featuring McLaurin taking on MP. So yung mga naglaban sa race porter nung nakaraang June 12, 2023 ay sila magkalaban sa ating race number 8. And on that note, it's going to be McLaurin. Hindi, ano pala, Team Labas versus Team Bahay pala to. Therefore, MP lane 1, McLaurin lane 2. Yun yung mga starting lane nila. Respectively, MP lane 1, McLaurin lane 2. Alright. Race number 8, switch on. McLaurin winner. We will feature Neon Sarah taking on Magma in our race number 9. So, Team Labas versus Team Bahay yung setup po natin dyan sa match-up na yan. So, it's going to be Neon Sarah starting at lane 1, Magma at lane 2. Alright. Well, nabigit kasi kaya hindi namin no. Race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, Race number 9 ended in a draw. Race number 10 will feature Korag taking on Mirik in our race number 10. And in our matchup, it's going to be Korag starting at lane 1, Mirik at lane 2, the paresya ng Team Labas. Alright, race number 10, switch on. Ready, set, run. Korag winner. Race number 11 will feature MA taking on Cosmo Atomica in our race number 11. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, MA at lane 2. At naman. Therefore, lane 2 ang shoot naman. MA ang lane 2, Cosmo Atomica lane 1. Alright. Race number 11, reach on. Ready, set, Race number 12, tayo. Race number 12 will feature McLaren taking on Korak in our race number 12. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1, Korak at lane 2. Alright. Race number 12, finish on. Korak winner. Alright. Water break pala ulit. Water break ulit. Race number 13 will feature Mirik taking on Magma in our race number 13. And in this matchup, it's going to be Mirik starting at lane 2, Magma at lane 1. Our race number 13 is on. Ready, set, time. Sayang, nanalo na sana. So, game patuloy. Ano ba yun? Ano kaya yun? Okay. Race number 14 will feature two Super 2 cars in MP and Neon Sara battling it out in our race number 14. And in this matchup, it's going to be who's the higher seed on that note, MP. Therefore, MP starting at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. Parehong super ko ko yan. Race number 14, ready on. Ready, set, time. Finally, Neon Sara able to get a win. Team will feature McLaren taking on Cosmo Atomica. Again, battle of front motor machines of the Orange Army. And then the matchup is going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. Alright, race number 15, switch on. Ready, set, start. Cosmo Atomica wins. Race number 16 will feature Magmar taking on Korag in our race number 16, and in this matchup, it's going to be Korag starting at lane 1, Magmar at lane 2. Kasi ang IRC, ganun din naman yan. Ang team bahay ngayon, ay hindi, lane 2 pala baliktad. Lane 2 for Korag, Magmar lane 1. Team labas versus team bahay, team bahay. Ang team labas ang nasa lane 2, team bahay lane 1. Pag magkaiba po na naman lalaban, lane 2 or team labas, lane 1 and team bahay. So in this case, Korag at lane 2, Magmar at lane 1. Race number 16, switch on. Ready, set, start. Na-upset pa, sumabit pa. Sumabit pa eh. Magmar winner. Magmar ang winner doon kasi ang nangyari kasi masusunod na sana, kaya lang kung maabutan na biglang sumabit si Korag, therefore declaring Magmar being the winner of that race number 16. Next, race number 17 na tayo. Okay, water plane pa lang muna sa left. Alright. Race number 17 will feature MP taking on Nirik sa ating race number 17, wherein the lane 1 will be the starting lane for MP and Nirik will start lane 2. Alright. Race number 17, switch on. Ready, set, start. Okay. Race 18. Okay. Race number 18 na po tayo between Cosmo Atomica versus Neon Sara in our race number 18. Alright. So in our race number 18, Team Labas versus Team Bahay once again. So it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 2, Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1. Alright. Race number 18, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Winner. Victory. Good. Neon Sara, winner. So Neon Sara will close this up, I think. Paliwanag na yan, ha? Alright, Mirik versus McLaren rather ang ating race number 19 final assignment for all of these cars. So, sa taon na nga natapos si FP kanina against Mirik, which ended in a goal. And in this race number 19, so Team Labas versus Team Bahay ulit. Therefore, McLaren starting at lane 1, lane 2 is the starting lane for Mirik. Alright, race number 19, switch on. Ready, set, back. Tabla ulit. So tapos na yung mga assignments ni Mirik at McLaren. Therefore, they will finish it in a draw. Therefore, penultimate assignment. Penultimate race sa ranking phase natin. Cosmo Atomica versus Magma in our race number 20. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1 and Magma starting at lane 0. Alright. Race number 20. Switch on. Ready, set, back. Down to our final assignment in our ranking phase tonight. It will feature two of Team Labas finest, Ian arguably. It's going to be Korak taking on Ian Sarah in our 21st and final race of the ranking phase, wherein Korak will start at lane 1 and Ian Sarah starting at lane 0. Alright, the 21st and final race of our ranking phase is running on Wednesday. Switch on. Ready, set, run. The only hit, the first hit so far, yun pa lang yung naging hit sa ranking phase natin, yung ating race 21. And Korak will close out this ranking phase tonight with a victory over Neon Sarah. Yeah, with a hit. I hit more than one sila. So, si Cosmo Atomic kanina, lane 1, tama? Ngayon, lane 2. So, parin sila ngayon ni Magma, lane 1 si Magma, lane 2 si Cosmo Atomic. In the tiebreaker phase, last man standing concept is also applied here. Switch on. Ready, set, okay. Ayos na. Unang pumimbang si Magmar. Therefore, ito si Cosmo Atomica yung makakakuha ng number 3 seed at si Magmar naman ay 4th seed.
Hello mga ka-Dipat, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar here for Dipat's Tamiya League Season 4 this June 14, 2023. And yung inyo po napanood kanina ay ang buong ranking phase ng 7 mga auto na naglaban dito sa ating track layout na for June 2023. And at the end of our ranking phase, here na are the following results, yung mga naging final result ng ranking phase natin. Katatapos lang. So it's going to be Korag who will be topping, which will be topping the list with 4 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw, followed by Neon Sara sa 2 wins, 1 loss, and 3 draws, making it a total of 7.5 points. Samantala si Korag naman ay 9.5. So yung mga naglaban do sa race number 21 natin, na siyang pinakauling race ng ranking pace before tiebreaker pace, na short tiebreaker pace lang, yun yung nangyari. Sila yung mga huling naglaban, sila rin ang naging top 2 na papasok agad sa ating semifinals round sa track layout na ito. And also yung naman ang nag third place naman ay si McLaren, na actually yun talaga yung actual na result. So my apologies in advance for the mistake that I did dun sa crosshatch. So yun talaga yung actual na naging yun yung tama talaga na standing. It's simply because it's simply because yung kasi yung yung naging laban din na McLaren at MP, si McLaren palang nanalo laban kay MP. So therefore McLaren will gain the upper hand pala. Ang talagang actual point niya 7 points, 2 wins, 2 draws, 2 losses. So ang naging total niya ay 7 points, making it the third seed coming into the knockout stage. And si Cosmo Atomica at si Magmar na siyang naglaban naman sa tiebreaker pace natin, sila na mismo yung ating quarterfinals number 1 going to the KO stage. Dahil nga po sila yung 4 and 5. Sila yung nag-tiebreaker pace. Pareho kasi silang 6.5 points total. And at the same time, tabla rin sila sa kanilang duelo nung ranking pace. Kaya kinailangan ng tiebreaker pace. And also, yung ang naging output nila pareho ay 1 win, 1 loss, 4 draws. So pareho silang 4 draws. Pagtigisan panalo at talo. At the same time, yung isa sa 4 na tabla, sila rin ang naglaban. Pero apparently, dahil tiebreaker pace, para mag-break lang yun, para malagay yung positioning nila going to the KO stage, sila na rin mismo magkalaban sa quarterfinals number 1. And also, yung number 6 naman ay si Mirik with 5.5 points, 5 draws and 1 loss. And yung nangulelat, unfortunate lang ay si MP na may 4.5 points, 3 losses and 3 draws ang total na, making it dead last doon sa end ng ating ranking phase. So yun po yung actual na nangyari. So ang mga magiging matchup sa ating KO stage, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Magmar in quarterfinals number 1, to be followed by quarterfinals number 2 matchup between McLaren and Merrick. At yung mga manalo doon ay papasok sa semifinals round. Semis 1 will be Korag facing the winner between Cosmo Atomica and Magmar, and Neon Sara will face the winner of McLaren and Merrick matchup in our second semifinal duel. And sa Race Porter, the championship race, na po yan, race to 10 laps apiece para matapos po ang ating knockout. So that goes our knockout stage. So mga kadipat, without further ado, we'll now proceed right away with our knockout stage for June 14, 2023. Knockout stage quarterfinals number 1 will feature a matchup between Cosmo Atomica at number 4 taking on Magmar at number 5. Kung sino yung mga naglaban sa tiebreaker pace nitong ngayong run and gun Wednesday na to, sila yung maglalaban ulit sa ating quarterfinals round to face Korag. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Magmar at lane 2. Switch on quarterfinals number 1. Ready, set, run. Tulak. Final lap. Magmar eliminated from the quarterfinal matchup. Then therefore Cosmo Atomica advances to the semifinals round to face Korag. It's now time for our quarterfinals number 2 between McLaurin at number 3 taking on Mirik at number 6 for the right to face Neon Sara in semifinals in semifinals number 2. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaurin starting at lane 1, Mirik at lane 2. Alright mga kalipat, brace yourselves now for quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Last 2 laps. Final lap. Winner. And unfortunately, Mirik is eliminated from our out of contention for our Run and Gun Wednesday edition tonight in our knockout stage, and therefore it's going to be McLaurin who will emerge victorious in this quarterfinal duel and will return to the semifinals to face Neon Sara. Semifinals number 1 will feature top-seeded Korag taking on the 4th-seeded Cosmo Atomica. So it's a traditional 1 versus 4 matchup in our semifinals number 1 of this Run and Gun Wednesday edition on D-Pads Tamil League Season 4. And in this matchup, it's going to be Korag starting at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. Alright, mga kalipat, we are now in our semifinal stage of the knockout stage to be started right away with the semifinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ulit. Nagkama lang ng bitaw. Ready, set, bye. Let's go. Final lap. Winner. Cosmo Atomica winning over Korag to secure a championship race slot, and therefore Cosmo Atomica will return in the championship round, and Korag will be relegated to the race for third. It's now time for our semifinals number 2, which will feature the number 2 seed Neon Sara taking on the number 3 seed McLaurin in our semifinals number 2 at another traditional matchup. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 1, McLaurin at lane 2. Alright mga kalipat, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last 2 laps, final lane changer McLaurin. Final lap. And McLaurin will emerge victorious in our semifinals number 2, and it's going to be the Battle of Orange Army between Cosmo Atomica and McLaurin for the right to be crowned champion for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday edition of D-Pads Tamil League Season 4.
And in the meantime, it's now time for our race for third, featuring the top-seeded Korag taking on the second-seeded Neon Sara. So yung mga outright semifinalists po, sila po magkalaban sa ating race for third for tonight. And again, advance happy Father's Day to all of our fathers across the globe. Lahat ng mga tatay po natin, mga tito, mga lolo, yeah. Advance happy Father's Day po natin. And also as well to our beloved Father Demetrius Agbito Aguilar, happy Father's Day in advance. At get well soon, the soonest. Get well the soonest. And dito lang yung mga anak, dito lang yung bunso mong anak. Your little John is always here to keep you safe as much as he can. Yan. Alright. So in our race for third tonight is going to be Korag starting at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. And top seated in higher seat kasi si Korag. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third in our D-Pats Tamiya League Season 4, this run and gun Wednesday evening. First to make 10 laps, switch on. Ready, set, go. That's it. Nabutan na po. So tapos na po kagad yung ating race for third. The race for third is officially over with Korag securing the third spot, finishing third place tonight. The erstwhile champion Korag finishing third place tonight after reaching the trailer. Naabutan nga niya itong si Neon Sara. Kung ganon, pag nabutan na gano'n or nagkatamaan, o sino yung nakatama, talo na po yun. Pero ito, pag naabot yung mas mabagal na auto, nahabol pa ng mas mabilis, ibig sabihin yung mas mabilis, panalo na po. Kaya, on that note, it's going to be Korag securing third place finish tonight with a victory. Okay, so dito ko na po ilalagay. So, pwede ko na po. The much-awaited championship race is finally here. As the Orange Army members, Cosmo Atomica and McLaurin will battle it out in our championship race for tonight. So, yung isa sa kanila pwede makahabol kay Korag dahil si Korag 1 point lang na idagdag, total of 9. So, Cosmo Atomica can tie it up with a win, with the championship win against McLaurin. So, sa match-up na ito, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1 and McLaurin starting at lane 2. Alright. Pwede natin ka. Pwede rin ito. Yung isa. Alam mo na yung oil. Alright mga kadipat. It's now time for our championship race this run and gun Wednesday evening here on D-Pats Tamiya League Season 4 to culminate our race tonight. First to make 10 laps, switch on. And that's it. And that's it. We now have a new champion in Cosmo Atomica. So Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship road after beating McLaren in our championship race. So congratulations to both Cosmo Atomica, McLaren, Corag, and Neon Sara for being the podium finishers for tonight's race day on the Pats Tamiya League in advance for our... Okay, so here now is the final results of our race day for tonight's edition of the Pats Tamiya League Season 4 with Cosmo Atomica securing the championship for tonight. Yeah, congratulations to Cosmo Atomica being the new champion for the Pats Tamiya League Season 4 this June 2023 and tying things up against Corag with identical 9 points apiece with 9 points apiece on aggregate, making it adding 3 points on its 6-point output. So total output na niya ngayon ay 9 points. Tapla na sila ni Corag kasi si Corag 8 points plus 1 lang. Nag-third lang kaya rin. On the other end, McLaren naman po ang second placer ngayong gabi with additional 2 points on aggregate. So ano na to? Ilan na yung point niya? Ilan na yung point niya kung ganun? 8-6 ang... 8 mga ano na siguro mga 4 points. Ano na eh? 6 points pala. 6 points. 4 points kasi ito eh. Nag-second place kaya 6 points na total ni McLaren. Ayun. Next, third placer this time is Corag. Yan. Corag winning third place tonight. Yan, after booted out by McLaren dun sa kanila semi-final duel. But still good enough being on top of the aggregate scoring list. Yun nga lang yung tapla na sila ni Cosmo Atomica sa unahan with 9 points apiece total. And finally, but not the least, Neon Sara winning 4th place and first time na maka-point o sort sina MP, Venom, Darksun at si Neon Sara ang meron na ngayong 0.5 point, kalahating puntos sa kanilang aggregate scoring after 4 races. So, 4 na magkakaibang 4th placers po yung nangyari. Tapos yung top 3 ay yung itong Orange Army members at si Corag. Yan. O yun po yung total update. 9 points in kay Fort Corag and Cosmo Atomica on aggregate, and then tig 0.5 nga sina Neon Sara, Darksun, Venom at MP, parehong 0.5 apiece. And then si McLaren in solo third with 6 points total. So sila pa lang po yung mga meron scored after 4 races of this month of June 2023. And there you have it mga katipat. These are the podium finishers. Oops, medyo lumabang. These are the podium finishers for tonight's race day on the Pats Tamiya League Season 4 this June 14, 2023. Again, have a blessed Wednesday evening to all of you, and this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Pelagila, or the with the heavy heart nga po dahil nag-aalaga po na may sakit for now. So for now, I'm signing off, and thank you so much to all who watch and whoever will watch anytime on our video log every Monday and Wednesday evening at 6 p.m. sharp, right here on the Pats Tamiya League Facebook page live, and also on YouTube will be available every weekends. Yan. So abangan nyo po ito sa susunod na Sabado, itong pang-apat na ano natin. Alright. So game 2 naman yung nakarang Miyerkules, sa Sabado po yung upload. Tapos yung independent sa Linggo, tapos sa sunod na Sabado ulit. So every weekend po yung airing ng the Pats Tamiya League Season 4 sa YouTube, sa aking YouTube channel, Don Patrick D. Pelagila. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe all of my social media platforms. Yan, D. Pat Aguilar, D. Pats Tamiya League, An Evening with D. Pat Aguilar, and Don Patrick D. Yung unang tatlo sa Facebook ko po yun. At Don Patrick D. Pat Aguilar naman po ang aking YouTube channel. And for now mga katipat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected from all negativities at all times and at all costs. As always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world. And all of our fathers across the globe, once again, advance Happy Father's Day on Sunday, June 18, 2023. And including my father, Demetrius Pedro Aguilar, of course. Advance Happy Father's Day po. Yan. and get well soon. And for now mga katipat, I'm leaving you with a pleasant Wednesday and blessed run and gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas. At sama-sama po tayong bumangon ulit. Ipakita ng pagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating pananaw. Taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanina. For now mga katipat, this has been another presentation of another Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DPAT's Tamia League Season 4.